Hey, can I ask you to rate me from 1 to 10? What'd you give me? She followed me though. Her volume wasn't working for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, I can give y'all like a little story time in between this. Like, let me think of a story. Origin. Story time. I gotta think. Can do. Hey, can I ask y'all a question?
How are you?
Good. Can you add time? Can you add time real quick? All right. Can y'all rate me from 1 to 10? Please. 10. Okay. What about you? What about you?
What'd you say? Rate her. I saw the 10.
Appreciate it. You know I'm not finna rate you, man. It's not your video, man. It's my video. It's not your video. It's my video. Not your video. Crazy. Like, what's the word? Ugh. Cali. Good gas. Hey.
Hi.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
1,000.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Okay, bye.
Philippines. Hey.
Hello?
Hey.
Bro, you want to see someone dance?
Yeah, real quick, can you rate me from 1 to 10?
He wants you to rate him from 1 to 10. 0.
You forgot the one. Yeah. Something. I want to see somebody dance. I ain't even finna go with that, man. I do it.
They call connect.
Hey. What's up? Can I ask y'all a quick question?
Mm-hmm.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
7.
What about
7 too.
tell me some 7? Louisiana. Hey.
Oh my god, my foot is cramping.
Can I ask you a quick question?
Sure.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
You're like a 7.5.
Appreciate it.
Ow, my foot.
Like, what's the word? Ooh. Strong. Never heard of that. I said 76. Oh yeah, forgot the story time though. Alright, so what story can I get y'all before I forget? Oh yeah, bro, I can tell you the one time, bro. I remember it. It was like during 9th grade year or whatever. Hold on. What's up?
Hello.
Can I ask the girls to rate me from 1 to 10?
Which one? There's a girl
Both of y'all.
right here, too.
Both of y'all.
At time.
Dang, that was my fault. They was finna give me that 10 though, you already know. But back to the story. This one time, bro, freshman year, bro, I'll never forget it. And this my boy named Ron, he know this story too. But yeah, speaking of my nigga Ron, bro, y'all go follow that nigga on YouTube shit, bro. That shit gonna be right here, bro. So y'all go follow that. You know, my boy trying to come up on that. Subscribe, like, comment, all that shit, bro. Back to the video. Alright, so this was back when I used to smoke or whatever. What's it called? So we had this thing called like A lunch, cause you had lunches, you got A, B, C, D, E. Alright, so then we had a lunch or whatever. It's like after first block, you go straight to lunch. Hold on. Hey,
Hey. Hey.
can I ask y'all a question?
Yeah.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
I give you an 8.
Appreciate it. What about you? Anyway, so yeah, right after first block, you had to go to lunch. So during lunch, we wouldn't go to lunch. We would just like gas or whatever. So I had my boy Damo, free Damo though. My boy Damo, he used to push up on us or whatever. So I was like, Ron, you trying to go with me this one time? So he went with us. So we went around the corner, gassed up real quick. Like, man, it was some pressure, bro, like some stupid pressure. So we was gassing or whatever, man. Talking about hot box, everything, clothes smelling, everything, So we was just in that bit. Came back to school. Hold on. Hey.
What's up?
Nothing much. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
Wait, what? I couldn't.
Anyways, she knows she can hear me. But anyways, so where was I? Oh yes. Alright, close man and everything. So we get back to school, right? We was like about a good 5 minutes early. So we had time. Go back in class or whatever. Alright, so hold on. Hey.
Have you ever had a cat? Hi.
Can I ask you y'all a quick question real quick?
Yes, at time.
Alright. Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
Feel like a 9.
Appreciate it. What about you? You might as well just give me the 10. But what about you?
What about you? What would you rate me? Oh, Nate's bad, but I just couldn't. What do you rate him out of 10? 10.
Appreciate it. But yeah, guys. Anyways, my phone tweaking. But anyways, so we had like 5 minutes to spare, right? Alright, so we hop out the car. That boy Ron to my son. Oh, I can't feel my legs. Like, he really could, but like he was just geeked up. Hold on. Bad connection. Anyways, like he was just playing, like he really could feel his leg, but like he was just geeked up. Like I said, bro, it was some pressure. Alright, so we walk in the building, right? We walk in the building. Hold on. Hey.
Yo, what's up? Oh, I like your lights.
Appreciate it. Can I ask you a quick question?
Go for it.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
Yes.
What you getting?
You are like an 8.5.
Appreciate it. Anyways, like I was saying, so anyway, like I was saying, where was I at? Probably forgetting. Oh yeah, so we hopped in the building or whatever. We walking, right? This is one teacher, bro. I ain't gonna say his name, bro, cause he lame for it. I ain't wanna expose him like that, but I know who I'm talking about. It was one teacher, bro. We knew him from 6th grade. Keep in mind, we in 9th grade now, right? Hold on. Hey.
Oh my god, he look like Chris. It's the one that died.
Can I ask y'all a question real quick? Can you add time? Can I ask y'all a question?
Yep. Yeah.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
Oh my god. You and I. Don't mind her. Bitch, stop fucking hating.
How old you is?
I'm not hating. I'm 15.
Dang, you so bad.
Thank you.
What'd you give me though?
I said I gave you a 9.
Yeah, I heard you. I'm talking about her. She act like she don't want to answer.
Yeah, cause she hating ass bitch. She stay hating on me and everybody else. That's the fucking lie. You and I. Give him his right.
Appreciate it. Anyways, guys. But look, anyway, guys. Yeah, I got my night clothes on with. Anyways. Shit. Anyways, though, bro. Alright, so we see this teacher or whatever, right? He look as alright, hold on. Hey.
Shit. For this crap, Rob. You gonna bust it open.
Can I ask y'all a quick question? Hold on.
On the TikTok.
Can I ask y'all a quick question?
What?
Eton. Can y'all rate me from 1 to 10?
7.
Alright, tripping, man. But anyways. Alright, so look, we in the building over there. We see the teacher. He look as dead in our face, right? He look as dead in our face. He like, come here. I'm like, we like, nah, bro. We trying to get to class because, you know, we got 5 minutes to spare before the bell ring. And then, you know, when the bell ring, we be late. Hold on. Hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Can I ask you a quick question?
Yeah.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
9.
Appreciate it. Anyways, guys, so this man telling us to come here. I'm like, nah, right? And I just dipped. Run. Oh my God, hold on. Hey. Can I ask you a quick question? Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
You a 10.
Appreciate it. What's wrong with her? Anyways, so yeah, he talking about some come here. I'm like, nah, bro. I go to class, whatever. I'm in the class for like a good 5 minutes, bro, and then out of nowhere, you hear the monitoring. I'm like, this nigga right here. They like, can we get Keanu comes to the office? I'm like, but he really done told these people. Hold on. Hey.
Can I tell you a secret?
Yes, but hold on. Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
What?
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
I keep hurting myself.
Anyways, guys. So he really told the office people on me, bro. Like, I can't believe this, man, bro. Hold on. Hey.
What's up, bro?
Nothing much. Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
Sure.
What'd you give me?
Don't be rude. A 7.
Appreciate it. Anyway, guys. So he really told the office people on me, right? I'm like, I'm in the office or whatever. Hold on. Hey.
Hi.
It's daytime over there?
Yeah.
Dang, can you add time real quick? Dang, that's late. It's nighttime over here.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, that's why. But anyways, can you rate me from 1 to 10?
Can I what?
Rate me from 1 through 10.
Yeah. Is this for a YouTube video?
Yeah.
9.
Appreciate it. Y'all know what's going. But look though, man. So this man really told the office people on me, right? Like, I'm walking in there, I'm like, bro, you really told them, bro? Like, you know I'm geeked up. Like, why would you do me like that? He told me something, oh, this the best for you or whatever. I'm like, you know, I ain't trying to hear that. I'm looking at Ron just looking at me, bro, like. Hey.
Hey, follow me.
Alright. Can you add time real quick? Can you add time? Oh. Can I ask you a question? It's daytime over there? Dang, it's nighttime
It's in
over
Alaska. It's not that
Oh, I'm in Georgia. Atlanta? Yeah. Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
8.
Appreciate it. But look though, anyways, man. Oh, look, it wasn't even Ron, bro. I'm tripping, Ron. My fault. It was Tyrone. Tyrone was with me, bro. So we was in the office, right? I'm looking at Tyrone. I'm shaking my head. This Mr. Martin done snitched on us or you know, snitched. Hey. Dang, you bad. Add time real quick.
Yeah.
You might well follow me too, but can you rate me from 1 to 10?
Like a solid 7.
You on what? Well, it's
You're
my.
not my type. So
I'm not your type. What's your type?
I like light skins. Real tall light skins.
Oh, I'm tall, but I'm brown
But
skin.
really tall.
Huh?
How tall are you?
I'm 6 foot.
I like light skins for you.
You don't like brown skins?
I mean, I do, but like, it's just, they not it.
Where you at?
I'm at Phillies.
Oh, Phillies. That what's up?
Where you at?
None of your business. Fuck you talking. But anyways, man. So look, bro, I'm in the office with Tyrone. Mr. Martin, bro, like, first he like go to the bathroom, make sure you on a little high, like, bro, why would you even tell me that? Like, you already know him. How you gonna? You just wanted to get me in trouble. Like, I don't even get that, bro. Like, I'm trying crazy. Hold on. Hey.
Hi.
Can you rate, what's up? What's up? Can y'all rate me from 1 to 10?
Huh?
Can y'all rate me from 1 through 10?
Us?
Yeah.
5. I don't know.
Crazy, but anyways. But yeah, guys. I was in the office or whatever with Tyrone, right? I'm just looking at Tyrone like, bro. I'm thinking they finna smell the gas on us or whatever. But we ain't had no gas on us. Hold on. Skill anyway. We ain't had no gas on us or whatever. Like, I don't even think she know we was high. Like, he just told her that we was skipping. Like, end up getting 3 days ISS for that junk. But you know me, I only served 1 because, you know, Mr. Martin, he so-called fuck with us or whatever. So, Tyrone had to serve that 3 days. He wasn't messing with him. Hey. Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
1 to 10.
1 through 10.
I can't.
Why?
I'm listening.
Damn. Anyways, but look though.